Man, TikTok hold me, so I'm on here with y'all Instagrenians. Y'all motherfucking check out my album, bro. Yeah, see, this algorithm not algorithm. Ain't really algorithm on Instagram. TikTok do a little better. Matter of fact, I'm gonna upload this on YouTube Shorts. Go fuck with my algorithm, man. Go fuck. Go fuck my EP, my album, my mixtape, whatever you want to call it. That shit just dropped. The YouTube channel, y'all gonna see this song. It's dropped on there. We in North Carolina with the North Carolinians. They say we supposed to get 8 inches of snow, man. 8 inches of snow, man. Yeah, goddamn got road work all by my crib and shit. But, you know, it ain't nothing. This music and this 30 can't burn through. Fuck you talking about, nigga.